Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to add the stroke effect into this text, and the tool that we will use here is the Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can prepare and open this Adobe After Effects first, and after that you can go to this composition and go to the new composition, and for example you can use the composition name over here, comp1, or you can also rename it and you can click OK. And after that I will start to type the text over here. For example, stroke text like this, and I will go to this selection tool to change the position. And also, okay, if you see the red notification or information over here, which means you need to inactivate the caps lock. There you go, don't worry. And you can also change the color over here. Which one do you prefer? And after that, keep selecting this layer of this stroke text and give it a right click and click mask from text or create mask from text like this. And after that, keep the new layer to being selected, and you can go to this section, name the effect and preset, and after that you can start to search for the effect name stroke like this. Click this and put it into this section or into this layer like this. And after this effect being set into this layer, so you will see here that the effects can also have the setting. So this one you can start to activate this all mask, and after that you can also change the color. For example, here I will change it to become yellow. Choose it and click OK. And after that you can start to select this brush size, and you can change the how thick this stroke or the outline around surrounding this text, guys, like this. And if you would like to make it thicker, so you need to drag it, let's say, to the right, and this will be the result. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys!